Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix disconnected from server on Modern Warfare 2. Super easy and fast fix, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to support.activision.com and then sort out by Modern Warfare 2, and you need to make sure that all platforms is working and all platforms is online, alright? And if it's not, then you just need to wait. You can basically do nothing about it, just wait. But if it's working perfectly fine, then another thing that you need to do here, you need to make sure that basically your game is fully updated here. If you're using Battle.net, you can check for updates and also verify integrity of the game files. So just press scan and repair and begin scan. So if you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, it will do so. On Battle.net and on Steam, you just need to go to library, go to properties, installed files, and then verify integrity of the game files. And also as well, if you're using a Battle.net, you can change the regions here. So if you play in Europe, you can try to play on Asia or America, but keep in mind the ping will be higher. And if this doesn't work, then another thing that you need to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, run as administrator, and then here you just need to write ipconfig/flush DNS. And after that, after you get this message, just successfully flush the DNS, then write mesh winsock reset. And after that, you start your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, on the bottom right corner, you should see your system tray, and here you should see network internet access. So go ahead and right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and then go to advanced network settings, and then network reset, right? And after you do so, then restart your computer. But keep in mind that reset all network adapters to factory settings after you do this. So if you're playing on Wi-Fi, you need to make sure that you know the password. And if you're playing on Ethernet, doesn't matter. Basically, you don't need to do nothing here. And if this doesn't work, then you need to go to more adapter options and then right click on your internet, go to properties, make sure that internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then on double click on internet protocol version 4, and then here select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4. Save the changes and it should fix your problem. All right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.